Hi everybody, and welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Lauren, and today I'll be showing you how to give your iced chai tea latte a little bit of a fall twist using our pumpkin pie syrup. This is going to deliver all the flavors of fall. This has all the flavors of pumpkin pie, including the whipped cream, the spices, the pumpkin filling, the crust, and it really just plays well with the spices in chai tea already. So when you're ready, let's get started. So the first step to this recipe is adding 2 pumps of the pumpkin pie syrup to your glass. So now that our syrup is in our glass, I'm going to be adding 4 ounces of chai tea concentrate. You can find this at pretty much any grocery store, specialty food stores, health food stores. It's really easy to find, really delicious. I suggest looking for one without a ton of sugars in them, but if that's all you can find, it's still going to be delicious. So I have 4 ounces here because I like my iced chais really, really spicy. So I'm going to just pour that in. And I'm just going to give this a quick stir to incorporate the syrup with our chai. So everything is going to be blended together really, really well. All right. So next, I'm just going to add some ice to this. I'm not going to fill it up to the top because I want to make sure there's quite a bit of room for our milk. And last step, I'm just going to top this off with oat milk here. You can use any milk you prefer. I just really like the way oat milk tastes with chai. It's really creamy, really light flavor. And that's it. There you have it. This is an iced pumpkin pie chai tea latte. You can make this hot the exact same way, just omit the ice and heat up your milk. So let's give it a mix and give it a try. So good. So good. I am going to be drinking this all fall long. Goodbye coffee, hello iced pumpkin pie chai tea lattes. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe and you give it a try at home. Be sure to hit the notification bell below and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. See you next time.